How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. This is my second episode about this interesting podcast. The first episode was outside, which actually was pretty nice. We still can enjoy some nice, lovely weather here in UK. So this is gonna be the second episode. Actually, I have a very interesting announcement to make, which I think is going to be interesting for some people. But first, make sure you buy from my merch, because I want to buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Procaster. I think it's called Procaster. Procaster? Rode Procaster 2, I think it's called, because I already did my video. I asked Samsung to send me the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and they didn't. Why they should send me the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4? Who I am? But Rode, I think it's called Rode Procaster 2. Yeah, it's called Rode Caster Pro 2. So yeah, so buy my merch, and otherwise I'm not gonna be able to buy the Rode Procaster 2. You know, the audio interface from Rode, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Anyway, let's be a little bit serious now. If you enjoy this type of videos, make sure to subscribe. What do you think about this setup? I'm using the $20 microphone with $150 audio interface, $50 headphones, MacBook Pro from 2015, which still is a big machine. I love this MacBook. Actually, I bought it for £650 3 or 4 years ago, and still is a rock solid. I edit all my 420 videos which I have in my YouTube channel. Do you believe that? Amazing. But well, I feel like I'm gonna do the rock thing. What do you smell? You know, the rock. Anyway, I don't know. Lately, I feel like a little bit unfocused for some reason. This is mainly because YouTube. We always want subscribers, views. Recently, I just passed 1 million views. And this is the reason that I want to talk about in today's podcast episode 2. So I've been on YouTube for nearly 3 years, I think. I have 2,000 plus subscribers and 1 million views, which is quite nice. That's a very nice milestone. Actually, my next milestone that for me is gonna be very, very like achievable. Well, I hope it's achievable, but I want to reach 10K. Believe it or not, 10K for me it's like very good milestone. But the reason I want to talk about in today's episode is, do you think YouTube, if you're watching this video, which I doubt it that you're gonna watch this video, do you think that YouTube should send a 1 million views something? I don't know. I think personally they should send I mean, 1 million views is a big thing. Like, some people can achieve that for 20 days, some people can achieve that 3 years, 10 years, 5 years, like me. Do you think that YouTube should send me 1 million views? That would be nice. So I'm gonna put it here. Actually, I put it in my bedroom. It's gonna be really nice thing. Actually, I'm gonna take it with me. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Actually, here in UK we have a Costa. I'm gonna go to Costa Coffee. I'm gonna order my macchiato latte venti frappuccino with extra fluffy fluffy with cinnamon, and it's gonna be really nice talk to show my 1 million views plug. Will be nice. So, dear YouTube, please send me the 1 million views. Please. That'll be interesting. But yeah, joke on the side. I think YouTube should send to the creators because 1 million views, it's a nice, hard, achievable milestone that many people are doing. But the most importantly is that you don't stop to upload videos. You don't give up, because many creators, they starting with YouTube, and most of the people, they just give up. They start, they don't find the success, they don't get the subscribers, the views. And if I'm honest with you, I was quite the same couple of years ago. I was thinking, you know what, I'm never gonna get 1,000 subscribers, but I continue to upload. Sometimes I was uploading like twice a week, sometimes I was uploading like once a week, sometimes once a month. But don't give up, because YouTube is gonna send you the 1 million plug views. I hope so. So, dear YouTube, please, we have a deal. You know why I leave? No, you don't. You don't know. You don't know why I leave. But you know me. I uploaded 420 plus videos in this YouTube channel, and barely get like a 5 views, 10 views. Such a shame. But joke on the side. YouTube, I think they should do something. You should do something for the small creators. I mean, even when you achieve 1,000 subscribers, you should receive something. They should receive something that it's achievable. Even when you reach 5,000k, 10,000k, you should receive something from YouTube. This is the good. Yes, well done. Well done. Like, this is what we need. I don't need like a reward or something, but just even a letter from YouTube, it's nice. But what do you think? Do you think that YouTube should change and do something about the small creators? Personally, I think they should do something. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments down below. Share your thoughts if you have any suggestions what YouTube should do. Personally, I think they should. And I'm still waiting for my 10,000. No, I'm still waiting for my 1 million views plug, YouTube. Which I think is gonna be nice. All the YouTubers, they putting their rewards behind, and it's nice, and but like I mentioned, I'm gonna take my rewards, I'm gonna go to Costa Coffee, I'm gonna order my coffee, and it's gonna be nice conversation. I think so. But yeah, let me know, what do you think? I think it's gonna be nice, YouTube. And don't forget to buy my merch, because I want to buy the Rode, the audio interface, Rode Procaster 2. Rode. Yeah, I just messed up the name. I don't think that they will send it, but anyway. And Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Dear Samsung. Anyway, so yeah, joke on the side, YouTube, do something about the small creators. And please send me the 1 million views plug. But yeah, seriously, joke on the side, they should do something about the small creators. Because many people on the line, they just give up. I want to put my plug here behind. I'm gonna, show it on the video, so it's gonna be nice. And yeah, if you enjoy this type of videos, make sure to subscribe. Come on, guys. I want to reach 10,000 subscribers. I think it's achievable. I think so. And yeah, it's nice. And one more thing that I want to talk about is YouTube. Come on. Do it. That'll be nice. The other thing that I want to talk about is something completely different. Is if you watch today's video until now, well done. So if you have some interesting stories that you want to share with me, email me, and I'm more than happy. Obviously, it depends where do you live. If you live around London area, well, London is big, but central London, just let me know. I'm very interested to do a podcast with you. This is serious. I'm very interested to do podcast with you. And if you have some interesting stories to share and you want to be in my podcast, let's do it. Let's make it. Let's make it real, because I think it's going to be interesting. People to know your stories. My first episode that I did, I already uploaded, was about, this is a true story, about Luton Airport. This was true story. So make sure you watch the video. But if you have some nice, interesting stories, let me know. Let's make it real. We can we'll make a podcast in the park. Why not? That'll be nice. But yeah, if you have some interesting stories you want to share, if you want to be in my podcast, in my YouTube channel, message me, email me, and let's make it happen. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, even if one person is watching this video, I'm still happy. Seriously. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe, like, and yeah, leave something in the comments. And also, I'm gonna put something in the comments as well. If you have some interesting stories to share, let me know. Reach me, and I'll make it happen. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Do you know that I live close to the train station? Yeah, it's nice. I'll see you in the next video.